Hi, so today we'll be looking at the conflicts of data synchronization. And when I say data synchronization, I mean being connected to having a database that is connected to multiple users and multiple systems. And we'll be looking at the disadvantages of that. So in one, we have the timestamp version control. And I'm just going to be talking about basically the disadvantage of data synchronization. For example, I'm connected to a data source. Another individual is also connected to a data source. And in all of that, there are so many things that could happen. There are so many things that could be at a disadvantage, miscommunication, uncompleted tasks, unmet expectations. In all of that, we want to make sure that we're still able to keep the database good, right, and tight. And in order to do that, we have to make sure that whoever has access to database, we have to make sure that they are trustworthy sources and they know the implications of what they do back end of a database. So many of us just have access to database and we just do what we think is right, or many companies just give access to just give people the access to their database without proper investigation of who the individual is or what, or without the individual himself, him or herself knowing what could go wrong having that amount of information. So we want to make sure that whoever we are giving the database to, or whoever has access to that database, they are in the right frame of mind. And there's also the thing where people make mistakes, so we have to make sure that we can go back to correct those mistakes. We can do a version control, retrace back our steps. And in order to do that, we have a manual method, we have the AI method, and the manual method is us as individuals, as users, and our bosses or any other person that is superior to us as the administrator looking to find where exactly what went wrong. And the AI method is using the AI machine learning to be able to to be able to predict solutions to the problem based on past outcomes or based on past troubleshooting that happened.